Well, I got me another bag. Got me half a trash can. So far it looks good. What the leaf rake could pick up. Looks good. So I'm gonna put these in the truck and fill them all the way because they're too heavy that way for me. I'll put these in the truck so later I can put them in the dumpster. Save me from having to walk all the way back there. This property is 180 feet long from the back door to the alley. $180 foot from the back door to the alley. And then it's another 25 foot to the dumpster. That's a long walk. Okay, I'm gonna go put this over here. Oh, I didn't get that little corner, but I think it'll pass. Put this over here so I can get up all of this stuff. Get in the shade for a little bit. Get in the shade for a little bit. Got some fat girl coming over here harassing me. Stole my bags. Somebody left me some bags on the porch. And I used those. And that lady yelled at me, "Oh, they're free bags." And she took them. And cops ain't gonna do nothing over bags.